going on, fellas? Texas Chunks here. Today we're out at the rock quarry again. This time with some different people. My buddy Xavier and my longtime homie Vincent. Today we're gonna be fishing for some Texas chunks. You already know. It's kind of like the weather's not too great for fishing, especially kayak fishing. But we're gonna try and see if we could catch anything. I'll get back to you whenever we catch something. Alright guys, first one of the day. Caught on a shaky head. Look at that perfect display, you already know. Yes sir. Oh, this is the second one of the day, my bad. The other one was small and it looked like it was about to die, so I just threw it back. But this one's decent. Just want to chunk it all, but with this weather, you can see it's like windy. With this weather, we'll take what we can get. Alright guys, come here. Got the third one of the day. Ooh, he's bleeding. It's a better one. Well, how big would you say this is? It's probably like 1.5. Well, not 1.5, it's probably like 2, I'm not sure.
It's pretty chunky. It's chunky.
Pretty fat. Oh, it's not that fat. But it's like below freezing out here. No, I'm just kidding. It's cold. And again, we'll take what we can get. So, third one of the day. Texas chunk. You already know how we do it. What's going on, guys? It's Texas Chunks. Texas Chunk. This is the outro of the video. I just want to explain like the situation since the audio cut out whenever I was. Sorry about this knot on my head. It's from football. But what happened was me and my friend Vincent, we were fishing. And my other friend Xavier, he decided to get out, and some lady decided to call and say that the weather was too dangerous, like the current was too strong for us to be out on the water fishing in our kayaks. So the police were like really cool about it. They didn't really care, to be honest. They contacted the owners of the property and they didn't care either. So they told us, like, since there was a complaint, they wanted us to leave for the day, just to like make things easier, so that lady would like quit calling or whatever, and we can come back whenever. So that was basically it. The policemen didn't really care. They just drove up to the hill, like the top of the hill, because you kind of have to go down a little slope to get down to the water. They just drove up and sat there and waited for us to leave. But yeah, that was it. Stay tuned for some more videos, and I should be going fishing soon. Depends on the weather, but keep on fishing. Go catch some chunks.